Thank you. Just a comment on what you were saying, Jordan. You were saying how, because I do disagree in
Awesome.
some respect.
That's all good.
And you said how you shouldn't tweet about or, in social media, comment about your achievements and somebody in your firm being appointed to some position. And I do disagree with that because I think with social media, you can use it for two purposes. One, to attract new business, but on the other hand, to engage with the community that you're already involved in. And I found we've been using social media for quite some time. And when we do engage, when we do talk about our achievements or what individuals have been doing, all of their friends and their family and everybody becomes involved and engaged. And I think it does a lot for, the overall image of the firm. And yeah, I don't know what's your thoughts on that?
I think that's completely fair. I guess I suppose I meant it in this sense. When I look at a lot of law firm Twitter feeds, and there's not that many to look at, but when I look at a lot of law firm Twitter feeds, it's almost like a relentless stream of nothing but that. And although it may be of utility to or of interest to the people in the immediate circle, if I am someone who is going to Twitter to get information, then I would find that a bit tiresome. Here's the way I would tend to look at it. I think those things are valuable, and I think it's useful now and again to put those out. I would consider them, it's more like the commercial breaks in between your programming, right? This stream of really useful, interesting information is brought to you by our firm, and can we remind you that we were recently awarded the name such and such best firm. Your mileage may vary, right? And I think different firms will have different approaches to it. What I try to discourage amongst firms, though, is this idea, and I do see it in a number of firms, that what we do is so interesting that, the way I put it is that you don't pick up the Sydney Morning Herald and read articles that tell you what's going on in the journalists' lives at the moment, right? You pick it up to get the news. And I tend to look at social media as something which does it deliver value to me as a reader, right? That again, it's the prism I look through everything. Look at it from the point of view of the reader, does it deliver value? Now that being said, no, I will certainly concede the point you make that there is value to it, but for me it's more intermittent in between. But again, your mileage may vary.